So today's video is a personal video of mine. Got my Kizzy, my 2012 Suzuki Kizashi, and look at that crap. Mirror's broke. I didn't break the mirror, but it's broke. And gotta replace it now. Now, as many as you know, finding parts for this thing is incredibly difficult. So I found one off eBay. It said it was rated A+ and in great shape, but then when I received it, it was in worse shape than this one. Again, mine's spotless, just the plastic broke, and there was no fixing it. So, bought a new one. Here's a pretty new one. Look at that. And even that, I had to have it repainted. So it was still a pretty expensive mirror, not as expensive as one from Suzuki. I think, don't quote me on it, I think it was like 300 bucks, 200 or 300 bucks, something like that. I paid like 50 for the mirror, and then it cost me 100 bucks to have it painted. So, like I said, it is what it is, it happens. Wish it wasn't done to this car, but it happens. I'm gonna be replacing that. Promised I wouldn't show the video because she's embarrassed, but you know what? Screw it. Hit tight. We're gonna show the video right now. All right, that was funny, wasn't it? Okay, like I said, it happens though. It happens. Now, the other Suzukis, you can just pull this off, but I'm seeing this one is behind the door panel. I don't think this one's just pulling straight off. I mean, I'm gonna try it. No, there's nothing to even grip onto up here. Down here, there's something. No, I can't. Okay. Nope. Okay, so the door panel is going to have to come off. Yeah, there's no way around that. So we already know step one. Pulling this out. It comes out, which exposes that Phillips head screw. And I got to get something really thin to get up in there to get that out. And removing a door panel is pretty simple. Really, that's it. The rest is just get a good grip of something. And maybe I can do it by hand. Let's see. Nope. All right. Essentially, you just got to find one of those. There we go. I heard it pop. See if I can get another one. Okay, two hands. Now to finish the rest, just lift up, and that'll separate. There's just a couple wiring harnesses, but we're going to leave that together because we just want to get this off right here. Yep, that's all we want to do because we just need this wiring connector out. And then three, probably 10 millimeters. Let's find out what those are. Save those because you don't get new ones usually. Out with the old. Now before we go any further, what we're going to do is test it out. You don't want to put everything back together and then realize that it's not functioning properly. So get some power. And then, okay, you know, I'll roll that down so it's easier to see. There we go, that's clear. And let's move to one side, move to another side. Let's go up, down. And we'll set it later when we're driving. So that's it. Let's get the door put back on. All right, so now that's that. It's held on by these two white push pins up here in this corner. So let's go ahead and line that back up and push them back in. And to hang this door, you just pick it up and you put the door handle back into where that goes. Angle it down like this so you can lock it in up top. There. Perfect. Now, there you have it. That's the door. Now I just gotta get some screws put back in. It's a lot easier when you can feel your fingers. Yeah, see, I can't feel them anymore, so. And I hope you can see this okay, but push that in. Last but not least. Perfect. Now I'm just going to take that and slide that back in, but there you go. That's how you replace a mirror. End this video now because you guys can figure that part out. There you go, there we have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, head down, buy some merch. If you need some LEDs for this, go down there, use my discount code. They're probably the brightest LEDs you're ever going to see for this car. I was actually following my dad. It was bright, pure daylight today. And he's like, "You got your brights on?" I'm like, "No, that's just my normal daytime running lights." I'm telling you, you could see into the future with those light bulbs. And they've lasted, this is I think 3 years with those bulbs. So, man, check them out.